How to delete Line account permanently. So if you want to delete your Line account, then first of all open up your Line application and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, on the upper right corner you will have settings. Tap on settings and then go and select account. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now scroll all the way down and you will find delete account on the bottom left corner. Tap on delete account and then tap on next. And now, are you sure you want to delete your Line account? And then tap here so that you agree to the terms and conditions. Here you have to agree with all of this and then tap on delete account and then again tap on delete. And that's it. That's how you delete your Line account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.